Happy birthday, Grandpa.
I did.
So you're 86 years old today.
Yes, you did.
That is correct.
What is your fondest memory of a birthday from your childhood?
Probably when my dad stopped at Waxahachie and bought me a pop gun.
And now why is that so memorable?
Because I usually never got anything for my birthday. It was always Christmas, birthday together.
Ah, and how old were you?
Now,
No, how old were you then when you got your first actual birthday present?
I think I was 4.
4 years old. Did you enjoy that pop gun?
Yes. It was, and pull the trigger and it'd go pop.
All right. So when you're 86, you get to have chocolate cake for breakfast, huh? Is it good?
It's chocolate pie.
Oh, I'm sorry, chocolate pie.
And it's delicious.
All right, Richard did a good job, huh?
You bet.
Well, happy birthday.
Yeah.
Ryder, you want to say happy birthday? Come here, come on, I'm videotaping. Say happy birthday, Grandpa.
Happy birthday, Grandpa.
Here, hold it up so Mommy can see it. Hold it back a little bit. There you go. It says happy birthday. That's from Drew and Ryder.
Mom, we don't.
Okay, and
Mom,
it's brown.
Yeah, and he asked what your favorite color was, and you said brown, so he tried to use a lot of brown.
Yeah.
That's very thoughtful, Ryder. Thank you.
And Mommy, we don't have enough candles.
You think? I don't think there's enough room for 86 candles on there, do you? That would be a lot of candles,
I
huh?
want to put 86 candle on Grandpa's actual real birthday.
I don't think we can do that.
Why?
It'd probably set off the smoke alarm, don't you think? That much fire? Come on, that was supposed to be funny. All right, well, hope you have a great day, Dad.